Hey guys, in this video we are going to see an error called DBT-10328. So this is also one of the most common error that we face during the installation of Oracle database. Okay, so this error is specifically related to global database name, which is called GDB in Oracle database terms. And when we specify the duplicate name of a Oracle SID or Oracle database name whenever we are installing the Oracle database, then we get this error. Okay, so you may encounter this error often, so that's why I'm just giving you a video on this. So what is the global database name? So global database name is something which Oracle verifies. Okay, so whenever you are installing with the help of DBCA, right, this graphical utility, DBCA verifies the global database name, whether it is on already installed on the host, or whether if there are any information in the Oracle inventory, or whether it has been registered in the listener, or it is whether it is part of Aura tab, and all these details will be verified. Okay, so whenever we are using the older database name, which is already not completely removed, okay, so there may be some debris or some fragments of older database information that may not be completely removed. Okay, so say for example, this is a server, right? So on this server, I installed 4 different databases and also deleted those databases previously. Okay, so if those database informations needs to be deleted, then they need to be completely removed from the host. Okay, it's not only about removing the data files, removing the control files and all these application related files, but the inventory related entries also should be removed, and also a lot of debris will be there. Okay, so in my case, so let me just show you the error first. Okay, so I'm just invoking DBCA. So if you see any fragments or debris of the older database information, then you need to find what information which was not removed completely about the previous installation, and then identify it and remove it, and then reinstall it. So now if you see, I get this error saying that this SID already exists. Okay, so first error is a generic error. So it says specified GDB name may have potential conflict with an already existing database on the system. So to support this error, we are getting the second error telling the actioner specify a different SID name that does not already exist. Okay, so I want this particular SID because this was used previously, but I just deleted the database completely, but still some information is completely not removed. So if you see in the error itself, it says Oracle SID, specified SID name already exists. So where Oracle identify the SID, right? So it identifies the SID from the Aura tab. Okay, so just go to the Aura tab and just see if the previous information is already exist, right? So if you see, already there is a previous Aura tab entry which is existing, so I just commented it and saved it. So now let me try again. So now if you see, it proceeded to the next step. Okay, so this is the solution for the error. Okay, so there may be other reasons as well, but in my case it is due to the SID. Okay, so hope this video is useful. So if you like this video, just hit a like. I will be putting more troubleshooting and errors that we will be facing in a day-to-day Oracle DBA activity. Okay, and also I will be giving you a lot of troubleshooting sessions in coming days. Okay, so it will be quite helpful. It will not be completely theoretical. Okay, it will be useful in your day-to-day DBA activities. Okay, and installing or upgrading or any um, activity where you are using steps, you can easily do it. But whenever there is an issue, troubleshooting that issue will be quite difficult under pressure, right? So I will be putting almost every errors and every different way of troubleshooting those errors in coming days. Okay,